you to welcome back. So today we are going to go over and troubleshoot this EZVIZ. This one's the surveillance camera with the tilt and pan. This one's the model number C6CN. So I'm going to turn off the light right now and show you guys the blinking blue LED. So this is what it looks like. With the security camera, it's not configuring correctly. So right now we're on the EZ app, as you can see, living room C6CN. It is offline. So the other one is the backyard. I disconnected, and we're just gonna click on learn more right here. So we can click on reconfigure network, and if you scroll down, you need to look at the indicator on the LED. If it's flash red or flash blue, or there's no light at all. And you could also click on start testing. So let's go ahead and reconfigure network. So we need to press the reset on the security camera, okay? And press and hold down the reset button for 10 seconds. So you need to move the camera and tilt it upward. And use a fingernail or a prying tool to pry this cover off. Okay, and then there's a reset button on the right hand side, the round one. You need to press down and hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
reset
6,
successfully.
7, 8, 9, 10. And then you need to press this cover back on right away. It's gonna be automatic reset. Right now it shows a red LED right now. And later it should flash blue, fast flashing. So now you see the camera is automatic resetting or rotating around to reconfigure it.
Please use EZVIZ app for device Wi-Fi configuration.
Alright, now we're gonna go back to the app. Alright, so now on the app, we're gonna press next. Well, make sure your EZVIZ security camera has a flashing blue LED. Check on it and press next. So right here, you need to select your home Wi-Fi network, and then press next. Now it's going to be automatic sync it to your EZVIZ. So it said the device network has been configured. Please wait
Connecting
patiently.
to Wi-Fi. Please wait. Wi-Fi connected.
So yeah, you just need to wait until it goes to 100%. And sometimes allow you to connect. And in my case, it's keep on saying fail at 90%. So yeah, it seems like it's going to fail. Alright, so it says configuring network failed. You can click on retry or console customer service or network testing. So let's start testing. Make sure your Wi-Fi is good. So it says you could configure the device normally. And somehow this time they want you to enter the device verification code. Verification code is on device body label, upper letter case only. So you need to enter your device verification code. So the verification code is under there, okay? And make sure you get it. Alright, I'm just going to reset it or delete the camera and reset it up again. For doing that, you need to go to click on it and go to the setting on upper right hand side and delete a device. And we're going to click on the plus sign, add device, and we need to select the camera. So we gotta use a scanner to scan the code. Gonna put the camera upside down. Now it's adding the device. Device is power on. Click on it and click on next.
Please use EZVIZ app for device Wi-Fi configuration.
Okay, now I'm gonna press start. It's flashing blue, fast flashing. Next. So I'm gonna click on living room.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait. Wi-Fi connected.
Click on next. So yeah, hopefully this time it's gonna work. Now the LEDs are flashing slowly. So in my case, it's not working. Not sure if the camera is broken or what's going on. I will need to contact the customer service and find out and keep you guys updated. Oh, it says more configures method. Now we're gonna choose the wire connection and test it out. So I'm gonna hook up my AT&T AirTies Wi-Fi extender to the back of the security camera with the RJ45 cable. So the second method is to connect the RJ45 on the back of the security camera right here. And I'm gonna connect this to the AT&T AirTies extender on the back here. Alright, so I'm gonna connect it. Let's go to the app and see. And I'm gonna click on connected. So now it's configuring again. So if this is not working, then there's definitely something wrong with the security camera. That would be a bummer. Need to buy another one to replace it. But I don't want to put the AT&T extender right here. It looks kind of ugly with all this wiring. Yeah, so there's definitely something wrong with this. You could consult customer service, but it might be automated. Oh, this is online chatting and stuff. So, well, anyway, I'm gonna contact them and find out what's the problem, and hopefully keep you guys updated. Normally, if your camera is working properly, that should fix the problem. And those are the two methods, either Wi-Fi or the RJ45 wired connection. So, alright, so I contact the customer service. Unfortunately, they allow me to have a 2 or 3 minute waiting time and automatically hangs me up. So I moved the EZVIZ to the next to my wireless router. And then you had to bring your phone over there next to your router too. So I tried it again, and then up to 90%, and it fails again. So what I did later on, I pressed the reset button more than 30 seconds and tell the EZVIZ security camera the lens start moving up, and I closed the cover right away. And after that, I add a new device, and somehow it was working. So I was surprised. So here is the demo. And we could do the live view, but we might have the feedback. See, there you go. Let me mute it. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys like the video, and that will troubleshoot in case it got stuck and won't work properly. That's how you fix it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.